Hello everyone, Centex Elevators 489 here with another exciting unpacking and unboxing of a special elevator package. And this one is going to be really unusual in that this elevator part happens to come from Uruguay in South America. And now comes the fun part. Box cutter, packaging, and ready to open this up. Alrighty, and then this one's actually quite easy to open up. Just wondering what's in here. Alrighty. Alrighty, well, most of the unpacking has been done, but wait, there's more, and almost there. Alrighty, I'm sure everybody's going to know what's in here. I'm sure I know what's in here. Okay, one more layer, but it's becoming more recognizable. Yo! No insult to Justin, but I'm being ringy excited about what this ringy is. Alrighty then. So, here it is. A ringy old Otis Elevator Dial Floor Indicator with this beautiful looking fan pattern. It's got 24 floors, so it has the plaza balcony, which is PB, and then 1 through 23. Wow! This beautiful looking beaded border. And it comes complete with an arrow. Yes. Here it is at 23. Now, let's go back to the plaza balcony, which is in many cases, or in this case, the lobby, PB. Wow, this thing is fast! Here we are at the main lobby and plaza balcony, PB. So, here's a top-down look at this amazingly nice floor indicator. And, as you can see, here's the back. It's really good condition, I'll have to say. And here's the rim. Now, is this a beautiful elevator fixture piece or what? And this is a design that I think C.J. Anderson should replicate, because if they already have the semicircular fan style floor indicator, then they ought to make a fan style floor indicator that'll look like this one, in the full circular dial form. Let's give this one more ride. Okay? So anyway, this is a really nice South American and European style antique historic Otis Elevator Floor Indicator with the beautiful looking arrow, beaded border, and the decorative fan style flower pattern. So with that being said, this has been another exciting unboxing and unpacking moment of an old historic elevator fixture piece. And thank you very much.